So me and Seth just played with the Tomei fuel pressure regulator back here, and we realized the jam nut was loose, and we had actually put the pressure up a little bit more because we think it was maybe too low. It seems to be running a little bit better. Still, like, I can see a little bit of like white smoke, so I'm almost thinking, I don't know, maybe it needs more fuel pressure, but we're gonna go for a test drive, see what it does. If it runs any better, hopefully it does. Doesn't seem to be like really misfiring or anything, so I mean, maybe the slightest bit, but bit of smoke coming off the new turbo. Anyways, we're gonna try this thing out, see if that made a difference, and if it does, and if it still smokes, we're gonna try to maybe add a little bit more pressure, because it doesn't feel like there's vacuum coming off of that line, but when I tried to pull it off when it was running, I couldn't get it off. So there's obviously a bit of vacuum. I do have this set up a little weird, where I have it returning through the hard line, and I'm using the hard line at a different spot to get to the fuel pressure regulator. So I'm afraid that maybe that is pinched or something, and it's not getting vacuum go through it properly, but I'm not sure, so might have a bigger issue here. Definitely just got to try it out, see if it works, and go from there.
Why is it breaking up like that?